Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 4.4 Pre-Algebra Math Part 1. Part 2, Part 3 available here. 4.4, we have a classwork sheet of 26 points today, and then we have 20 points of notebook taking. So wow, you really should get the note-taking guide here. Teachers, today our bell work is this: which fraction is not equivalent to that one? And then the greatest common factor of these monomials here. Students, give your students 5 minutes for this. Okay, welcome back for our solutions on this bell work. So D, 39 is 3 times 13, 52 is 2 squared times 13. So the GCF of 39 and 52 would be 13, 13 here, 13 there. You divide through by 13, we get 3 over 4. So 31 over 42 does not simplify. So it is not 3952 and 3142 are not equivalent fractions. The GCF of this expression here, we factor it down. 3 times 3 times m times m. And then here are the common factors here. So we have 3 times 3 would be 9m squared and 27m cubed. The GCF will be 9m squared here. Okay, into our lesson today. Crop rotation is a system which farmers vary crops. And suppose a farmer grows alfalfa in a certain field every 6 years, another field every 10 years. This farmer is growing alfalfa in both fields. And how many years will the farmer grow alfalfa in both fields again? A multiple of a whole number is a product of the number and any non-zero whole number. A multiple that is 2 or more numbers is excuse me, is a common multiple. Some of the common multiples of 8 and 12 are shown below. So 8, 16, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 8 times 9, 8 times 10. So these would all be multiples of 8. And then multiples of 12, same thing here. We go down the line here. These two line up, these two line up, and these two line up there. So the least of the common multiples of 2 or more numbers is the LCM, the least common multiple. The LCM of 8 and 12 would be 24. So this is the least common, would be here, it would be 24, between 8 and 12. Okay, students, define these terms here. They are on your notebook sheet if you have one. If you missed that previous slide, go to the PowerPoint or the video to get that. Let's get into example 1 for the crop rotation problem. So the LCM is 6 and 10. You can use 2 methods to find the least common multiple of these. So we can multiply this out. We get a 30 and we get a 60 here for 6. And then for 10, for LCMs, so we can find LCM between that. We got a 30 and we got a 60. So the LCM of 6 and 10 will be 30. That would be the least common. So every 30 years, you can grow alfalfa in both those fields. Find the common factors of the number, 2 times 3 and 2 times 5. The common factor here is 2. So multiplying these out, we get 30 years. So the farmer grow alfalfa in both fields again in 30 years. So finding that out, where he has a rotation of 10 and 6. They both have alfalfa in 30 years. So find the least common multiple of the numbers. Same thing down here. The least common multiple of these 15, 30, and 50. So I've got to practice here. The multiples of 15 are here. Multiples of 30 are here. And the multiples of 50 are here. So we have a 150 as our LCM here. So the LCM 15, 30, and 50 is 150. That's the LCM. Down here, students, this is yours. Use your same process up here. Multiply these out. And you should find your LCM of these numbers here. And that is part 1 of lesson 4.4. Part 2 and part 3 you can get there. And everything else as well. Thank you.